Programming your 1999-2019 Ford Econoline key fob is a straightforward process you can do yourself. This saves money and avoids dealership fees. The basic principle involves synchronizing the remote with your van's remote keyless entry (RKE) system using radio frequency (RF) signals. This allows you to control locks and alarms. First, ensure you have a compatible OEM Ford key fob and a fresh CR23-2 battery. The next steps involve manually cycling the ignition key. Start by closing all doors. Then, insert the key into the ignition. Cycle the key from off to run, or SC, multiple times within a short period, 5 to 10 seconds, without starting the engine. The number of cycles varies. Typically, 5 cycles for 1999 to 2002 models, and 6 to 8 cycles for 2003-2019 models. A horn honk or lights flashing indicates you've entered programming mode. Once in programming mode, immediately press the lock button on the key fob, followed by the unlock button within 10 to 20 seconds. This pairs the fob's code with your van's ECU. The vehicle should respond with another honk or light flash to confirm successful programming. Repeat this step for any additional fobs you want to program, noting that most Econolines have a limit of 4 to 5 fobs. After programming, test all the fob's functions, including lock, unlock, and panic alarm. If programming fails, common issues include incorrect ignition cycling, a weak fob battery, or exceeding the maximum number of programmed fobs, which would necessitate a system reset. Remember, only OEM Ford fobs work. If problems persist, consult your Ford Econoline Owner's Manual or seek guidance from online forums or video tutorials for specific troubleshooting tips. Newer models may have integrated anti-theft systems like PATs, needing precise timing to avoid reset failures. If you run into issues, the common online consensus is that 70% of these issues can be resolved by a Ford dealer.